Hey all, quick tutorial on how to get Destiny Rising working on PC with keyboard and mouse controls. So first, what you're going to want to do is just make sure that you have the game downloaded. I'm going to have this open in the description, this exact link where you can download specifically BlueStacks 10 you're going to want. I don't think any other BlueStacks version is going to work with it, so just make sure you have that downloaded. And once you have that downloaded, you're going to want to open up BlueStacks. And once you see this screen, you're going to want to open the correct version of the mobile player. In order to do that, you're going to need to go into Multi-Instance Renderer. That's what it is, Multi-Instance Manager. And you're going to want to download this Pi 64-bit player. Make sure that you set the settings to whatever you want, really. But I just set it to the maximum settings to make sure that it's running nicely and looks nice as well. And once you get to this screen, just click on Start. Like I said, make sure that you are not running on the new 32-bit because you won't even see Destiny Rising come up. Go into the Play Store. Before we do anything else, make sure you go into Settings, into Graphics, and set the graphics renderer to Vulkan. Otherwise, if you have it set to OpenGL or DirectX, it will be a black screen when you open up the game. So make sure you have it set to Vulkan. And once you get to this screen, make sure that you log into the same account that you did on your Android device. If you're on iOS, then tough luck. You're going to have to find another way to play Destiny Rising on your PC. But for my Android users, you're going to want to log into the same account that you did on your mobile device. And just look up Destiny Rising. And it should come up. You're going to want to install it. And once you get to this screen, first thing you're going to want to do is transfer over your account from your mobile device over to your PC. So you're going to want to, on your mobile device, generate the transfer code. It'll ask you for a password, and it'll give you the code. Don't lose either of those. I would recommend putting it somewhere where you're not going to lose it, because if you do, then you will lose access to the alpha test as a whole, and you don't want to do that, right? So on your mobile device, generate the transfer code, and on your PC, you're going to want to hit the transfer account button. It'll ask you for the same password and same transfer code. Put those two in, and it will transfer to this instance of Destiny Rising. And once you get in, when you go in immediately, you're not going to have any of the keyboard controls mapped, which is why I have made a file that you can easily import. You can find it in the description. You just click on this little import button here, find the file in the description, and it will map all of the controls that you need in order to play keyboard and mouse. So if I lock my camera here, you can see that it is working identically to how you would expect it to on PC. That would be Destiny 2. There are some hiccups, of course, because it's just mapping controls to the on-screen controls. If your camera ever stops working, just quickly hit the Alt button, which will unlock your camera, and then it will reset it. If you want to lock your camera, it's the C button. If you want to pull up your Sparrow, it is the X button.